What if I were to tell you right now that in today's video, we're going to be showing you a well-known platform that's going to help you make money online. Now, I know very well that most of us, if not all of us, listen to music and watch videos every single day, correct? Now, you probably don't know this, but it's actually a really good way to make money. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you a never before seen and heard strategy that will not require any skills or experience from you. It's absolutely free and it is always available. So even if you're in Nigeria or Bangladesh or the Philippines or India, wherever what part you are in the world, you can actually join in on today's method. What's up everybody and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. Now, the first website that we're going to be diving into is called current.com. And this website is where you can earn points by listening to your favorite music. So make sure that you pay close attention, okay? So that you're not gonna miss anything and you're not gonna have to go back to the video and you can catch them all at one go. We're gonna walk you through the process. We don't wanna miss anything important, so just listen, okay? We're gonna tell you what to do with the music that you've chosen, and we're also gonna teach you how you can make the most out of your money. So, as soon as we visit current.com, you're going to see that this is available for the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store. So even if you're an Android or an Apple device user, you can actually still join in. So as soon as you go to the Play Store, it's actually going to look like this. Now you have to make sure that you have selected the right application. So this is currently the logo of that on the Google Play and on the Apple App Store, just so you know how to look like. So click on that, and as you can see, on the Google Play Store, it actually has a 4.4 star rating, which is actually a pretty good rating. Now, don't be concerned about this being like sketchy or anything, because it has over 1 million reviews and over 1 million users, and this just means that a lot of people actually love it and trust it and are already making a lot of money using it. And on the Apple App Store, it actually has a 4.7 star rating, which again is also pretty good. To the newcomers, where are y'all from? I would love to know. Comment it down below so I can use it as reference for my future videos as well. Now let's continue. Now you want to go back to current, and as you can see right here, there's over like 100,000 radio stations. And one of those stations is youtube.com. You can play music online and offline. And today's method is actually very powerful. You're going to listen to songs here and you're going to earn points. And those points, you can turn them into real cash. Now what we want you to do is go to YouTube Music, which you can find at music.youtube.com. And as soon as you visit the website, you're going to arrive at this page and it'll look like this. Now you're going to see that there are a lot of like suggested music, artists, and editor suggested playlists. If you did play these songs alongside the current.us, combining both is actually going to make you a lot of money on complete autopilot. So let's just go ahead and get started. So this is an example of the YouTube playlist that we usually listen to. If you guys want to know how you can make even more money online, over $1,000 every single day, then make sure you check out our description box down below. We have a pleasant surprise over there that you don't want to miss, so make sure you check that out. Also, I want you guys to first let me know in the comments down below if you have any video content ideas for us in case there are videos that you want to see in particular. Let us also know what devices you use. Are you an Android user or an iOS user? And while you're at it, comment where you're from, because I enjoy reading your comments and you know I'll try to respond to all of them. So let's head back. As we can see at the playlist, you're going to notice that there are like a lot of songs for you that you can listen to. So over here is the queue, and when you queue songs, it's going to be added over here. And as a result, once one song is finished playing, the next song on cue is gonna play right away. So you're gonna get paid for every song that you're able to complete and finish listening to. Now, if you actually look over here, you're gonna see this button, which is the repeat button. And if you click on that button, the playlist is literally just gonna play over and over again. And as soon as the last song finishes playing, you're gonna automatically go back to the first song and then play the whole entire playlist again, which is just gonna allow us to make even more money over and over and over again. Because again, the more songs that we're able to listen to, the more money that we are gonna be making. So the first step that we're gonna be talking about and discussing and sharing with you is gonna help us increase our income, and that is to queue a lot of songs. Now, as you can see from the playlist that we have like 20 songs, but we're gonna be adding more. So that's what we want you to do. And then once you've added like a lot of songs, as much as you possibly can, go back to the homepage, click on explore, and when you do that, you're gonna see more songs, more albums, more genres, and even moods. And current is actually gonna pay you more this way when you actually play from explore. And we want you to actually know that YouTube is not going to be paying you anything, alright? You are not going to earn just by YouTube alone. You're going to earn by connecting and syncing your YouTube account to your current account. Two of those websites, they're going to help each other and stick together like peanut butter and jelly, and they're going to work together and make you money. You're going to get paid for playing music and watching videos on YouTube. Now we're going to show you two different methods. So we're very sure that you guys know that a lot of us use YouTube every day, correct? And that you know what it does and everything, but did you know that actually there are like video compilations, like song compilations? If that's a yes, then you know what to look for on YouTube, right? So for example, we can take a look at this video and it says, relaxing Starbucks inspired coffee music. This video is 5 hours long. And we chose this because it's relaxing and we can literally listen to it while sleeping, while working, while reading, while cleaning. Literally anything you want to do, you can do it by listening to this music. So it won't even be a bother to you. You can even sleep. And you can still earn money while doing that. And you can actually do it over and over again. So imagine playing back the 5-hour song compilation. That's 10 hours. They're going to pay you 10 hours for listening. That is insane. If you're liking this video so far, then I suggest that you give me a 2 thumbs up before the video ends later on, so that I'll know you reached this part of the video. And subscribe if you still aren't subscribed to join the family. Now let's get back into the video. So right now we're using our computer and we have 3 tabs open. And this is just another special tip that you can actually take after. So you can have a lot of tabs open, play them literally all at once. And as you can see, the 2 other tabs, they're also like videos and songs, and one of them is long. And the next thing that you want to do is click on the settings button right here, and then you're going to want to change the playback speed to 2. The more music that you play, the more money you're going to make, right? So if you double your speed, you can earn money twice as fast. Now we want you to right click on the video and select the loop option. And with this, the video is going to automatically play over and over again without having you to manually restart the video. So if you play 3 songs at the same time, it's not going to sound good, which is why that leads us to our next point. You can mute the 2 other videos or all 3. Then you can just listen to the one you like best if you want to keep one unmuted, but again, you can mute all 3. Literally, it's like it's not even there. Next tip is you're going to have to play this in 144p because it just works much better. If you like have very low internet speed, you're using data, or you just have like bad internet connection, you can watch in 144p. The video is going to be faster, and you know, opening multiple tabs, you'll need to put them in very low quality so that you can play all 3 together. And now this tip is obviously for those people who have slow internet connection. But if you want to try it, you can do it. Now just a reminder that you have to connect your user radio station to current. So you can play them from your computer, from YouTube, from your TV, wherever. You can use both methods. You can listen to YouTube music on your phone while you're watching YouTube videos, on your computer. If you have both a phone and a computer, you can even join in your tablet. Literally anything. If you guys want to know how you can make even more money online, over $1,000 every single day, then make sure you check out our description box down below. We have a pleasant surprise over there that you don't want to miss, so make sure you check that out. Also, I want you guys to first let me know in the comments down below if you have any video content ideas for us in case there are videos that you want to see in particular. The most important step that's going to help you and make it easier for you, there is a Google Chrome extension that's called YouTube Playback Speed Controller. And what we want you to do is open your Chrome browser, install this extension, and this is something that you can do on both your computer and your phone. And what this extension does is you can multiply the speed by 3. Now on YouTube, you're only limited to times 2, but with this extension, you can do 3, which means it's going to be faster, more efficient, more money, really. So it's going to allow us to play like a bigger variety of songs. And you're going to see right here that you can manage the speed at the top right hand corner of the screen and just control right here. So if you have this extension, you're going to make money quicker because the video is going to play 3 times faster, which is going to let you earn more money in a shorter period of time. Again, what we wanted you to do, go to the Apple App Store, Google Play Store, download the extension, make sure that it's linked to your YouTube account, and that is basically everything. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.